What's up, guys? Welcome back to Brian Reaction. Now, if you're coming across my videos for the first time, kindly don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. So guys, in this clip, there's this guy from the Caribbean. This guy is very frustrated and he has sent a public service warning because this guy is in the Caribbean, but everyone is asking him if he is Jamaica, if he is from Jamaica. So he has come out and shared his frustration because he is not in Jamaica, he is in one of the Caribbean countries, but everyone is just talking about Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. So he is wondering, is Jamaica the only country in the Caribbean? Because why is everyone asking him about Jamaica and he's not even in Jamaica? Everyone is just talking about Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. You all know Jamaica is growing fame and everyone just know when you go to Caribbean, you must visit Jamaica. So Jamaica has gained fame and that's why maybe people are asking him many questions about Jamaica. So on the same note, Jamaicans, my Jamaicans brothers and sisters, they have come out in large numbers. When you talk bad about Jamaicans, they never keep silent. So Jamaicans also had to react on the same. So let's watch this video and I'll be back with a few comments.
This is a public service announcement. So as most of you know and realize, I am abroad. I'm in a beautiful country right now. I'm not in the UK. And I'm sick and tired of people asking me if I'm in Jamaica. Is Jamaica the only Caribbean island you lot know? You lot need to pattern up and behave yourself. There's many other Caribbean islands. There's Trinidad and Tobago.
Yeah.
There's St. Lucia. There's Barbados. There's St. Vincent and the Grenadines. There's Grenada. There's other islands that I can't think of off the top of my head. There's Dominican Republic.
Haiti.
Jamaica's not the only Caribbean island, so the fact that most of you are just jumping to, are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? No, I'm in Grenada. Stop asking me.
Why don't you say, oh, by the way, where are you?
Yeah, or what country are you in? Why do you lot just assume Jamaica? Like, bruh.
Noise. Why all of these other Caribbean countries get so mad when Jamaica name get called? Why they get so mad, brother? And what we do them? And we know so we know yet none of the Caribbean them. None of them. All of we are brother and sister same way. We know you have no yet for none of them. We love the Trinity people same way. Barbados, we love the Barbados people. We love everybody. We love everybody. But most of them Caribbean country are hate Jamaicans. Me not lie, they have a hate for Jamaicans. What is it? Is it because we are the capital of the blood clot world? Is that the reason? Is it because we are Bob? We are Nanny? Is it me I say?
Okay.
We are Marcus Garvey. We are Usain Bolt. Is that the reason? Why not yet with so, brother? Why not yet with so? I we say curry chicken and I want to say chicken curry. So why not yet?
Yo, I'm about to cause unrest and upset in my comments, but I don't care. They're Caribbean people outside of Jamaica, Jamaicans. You guys get so aggravated when other people confuse you to be Jamaican. And you get vexed with us like is we do it. It's not our fault that they keep confusing y'all for us. I mean, if we're gonna be frank, we don't want them confusing y'all for us because y'all are not us. We run our jokes. We say Jamaica is a Caribbean because we are. We say United States of Jamaica because... And the reason why is because, truthfully, whether or not you guys want to accept it deep down in your hearts, we are the gem of the Caribbean. For our contributions, do we have bad ones? Yes, but we have great ones, like legendary ones. A lot of you other islands have grown up on our culture, especially when it comes to our music. And that's quite okay. So when you step outside of your country and people hear you speak your own version of patois and confuse you to be a Jamaican, that is not our fault. Like, there is not one day that we sit under the mango tree and discuss you guys. I want to tell you, we are so indulged in ourselves. We're talking about our stuff. We're talking about our crimes, our music, our culture, everything. We're not talking about y'all. Not one day. Like, this one girl, me and her just went back and forth because she was so bitter. Like, girl, you name seriously, what's wrong with you? There are so many times people have mistaken me for being like Trini or mistaken me for being from like has said, oh, you sound like you're a Bajan. Or there's some people who said, oh, are you Dominican? I never get upset. I'm like, no, I'm Jamaican, and I just laugh it off. I don't get offended. What is there to be offended about? Aren't we supposed to be one Caribbean? Like, I'm all for that till you guys start trying to diss us. Then we'll diss you back. Don't you see people know what Barbados is now because of Rihanna? That's what that's what it is. We have legends that paved the way for Jamaica. That's why people know them. Get over it. Yes, I'm sure you want to be seen. You are your own island. You have beauty. All of those things are great, but naturally, because of our contributions and also being one of the bigger islands, we're going to get a certain amount of attention. Yeah, I just saw it go. Life is unfair like that. You know what I mean? Imagine like listing out everything bad about us. Some of you small islands with probably like 20,000 people on the island have so much to say about our poverty. Okay. Yeah, you probably don't have any. You have 20,000 people. Probably like 6 families that procreate. We have 2 million and change. Okay? In the spec of it being this terrible space, it's still one of the #1 visited islands in the Caribbean. So what's up?
So, serious questions for the Jamaicans. Why do Jamaicans think that Jamaica is the best country in the Caribbean when there's 12 other independent Caribbean countries? Is it... Well, you know what? Let me not even put my own opinion in there. I legit want to know what the other Jamaicans think and why they think that. And you know, the funny thing is not just Jamaicans that think that. I think that people outside of the Caribbean too, when they think about the Caribbean, they only think about Jamaica. So I'm not sure why that is the reason. I'd love to hear your opinion.
That we love the reggae and the music and everything, and we love Jamaica. That's true. Jamaica has a very important place in my country, and it's a big brand, and people follow everything that is Jamaica. Jamaica is very sexy, I think everywhere, including Dominican Republic, but we love, the reggaeton, the reggae, the dance hall, all the music that you have here is we love it. So I am looking forward to some partnership because I have a project. I want to develop a joint production between Jamaicans and Dominicans so we can have a fusion of music. We can have Cardi B. Yes, that's another project to bring Cardi B here to Jamaica. She's Dominican. But my project is to have like a joint production, homenaje is to honor. It's a production to honor, let's say, Bob Marley, and some Dominicans can sing Bob Marley music, and some Jamaican can sing music from, I don't know, others singers from the Dominican Republic as a tribute.
There's not another country in the world that has people as confident as Jamaicans. Let me tell you this.
This is so true.
Let me tell you, every Jamaican is the most confident person in the world.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
One thing I noticed with Jamaican people, when they go into a room, whether this is a doctor's office, a supermarket, a mall, they act like they own this shit. They act like they are the doctor.
Yeah.
They act like, yeah, I came here to check you. I didn't come here for the doctor to check me. That's how Jamaicans act.
It's crazy.
Swear,
Dude, I love it. We're so confident to the point where we're delusional.
I was just gonna say that. Jamaicans are confident, but also delusional.
Listen, it's a super.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you have watched the full clip. So this guy is from the Caribbean, but his friends, everyone is asking him if he's from Jamaica, if he is Jamaican. Now he was wondering why is it that everyone, when you talk of the Caribbean, everyone talks of Jamaica. They just know Jamaica. They don't even know we have many countries in the Caribbean. Obviously, there are so many countries in the Caribbean, but since Jamaica has gained fame all over them, now everyone thinks Jamaica, is the only country in the Caribbean. So this guy is kind of frustrated because he is not in Jamaica, but everyone is talking of Jamaica. So that pisses him off. He is wondering, why is it that it only has to be Jamaica? Why can't you mention any other country in the Caribbean? Why just Jamaica? So this is just to show you how Jamaica is being loved by the whole world. Jamaica has grown fame and it is dominating the Caribbean. That's why, everyone talks of Jamaica. Even if you decide to go to the Caribbean right now, if you just don't mention any country, just tell them that I'm going to visit the Caribbean. When you come from there, the first country they will ask you about is obviously Jamaica. They will not talk of the other countries. So Jamaica has grown fame, and Jamaica is one of the greatest country of all time in the Caribbean. And obviously, it is not just the name. Jamaica is big because, things that Jamaica have been doing, Jamaica have been trending in so many things. That's why many people know Jamaica is the best in the Caribbean. Look at, for instance, the sports. Jamaica have been dominating in the sprinting industry for so many years. Sprinting industry, when they talk of sprinting industry, Jamaica name will appear either number 1 or number 2. I don't think there's any country in the Caribbean that has the best sprinters than Jamaica. So Jamaica, when it comes to racing, Jamaica, people know, the whole world know, Jamaica has the best sprinters in the world. I'll be doing some races for you. You'll be seeing how Jamaicans are good when it comes to sprinting. So with that, it shows the whole world will know of Jamaica, obviously, because if it has the best sprinters, they will know, oh, there's a country in the Caribbean called Jamaica with the best sprinters. So that is one of the reasons. Now look at, for instance, the patois language from Jamaica. You have seen people from USA, here in Africa, people across the world, they have been speaking that language. They love that Jamaican language so very much. So that is one of the reasons also why Jamaica is very, very common. It's a well-known country, a loved country, because people across the world are copying Jamaica way of life. Jamaica, things that Jamaica do, many people are copying, be it their language, be it their food, be it their lifestyle. People just love doing what Jamaicans do. Now, on the other hand, you all know Jamaicans also, they also have African ancestors. So at some point, there's that, interconnection. That's why you have seen Jamaicans have been supporting Africans for so many years. Like, Jamaicans love Africans so much. And that's why also it is considered as a black country, because most of them, they came from here. So there's those bonds, that love that exists, that coexist between, us and Jamaicans. So there are so many. So I think this guy is not aware of that. He thinks people love Jamaica just because they only know Jamaica just because, maybe they I don't know how they got to that, but according to how I know is that Jamaica has been trending in so many things. That's why many people, across the world, they know of Jamaica. Now, many tourists have been going to the Caribbean. That is another also reason many tourists have been visiting the Caribbean. And the country they consider going to is Jamaica. Because they have visited Jamaica, they have been coming there with the very, very good stories of Jamaica. They will tell you how Jamaican people are so loving, so caring, so welcoming. They will tell you how that place is so beautiful, the sun, the ocean, the breeze, the vibe, So many tourists, they will consider just to go to Jamaica. So that is also another reason why Jamaica has gained its fame. So I think this guy should know that Jamaica is gaining fame because of the things that it is doing, because of the services that it's giving to its people. There's a video I did yesterday, and in that video, I told you why many people are just going to stay in Jamaica. People are flocking in Jamaica. The Chinese, the Arabs, they are just going to Jamaica, and specifically Jamaica. Jamaica's economy is growing very fast. It's now that country, you will just wish to go in and start your business, do your things. you know, interact with people, learn one or two things, because the people are loving. Jamaican people are good people. So those are some of the reasons why Jamaica has gained fame, and those are the reasons why people are talking of Jamaica to this guy, and maybe he doesn't know. So at least he should know that Jamaica is a big name, a big brand. So that's why, you know, many people will just talk of Jamaica in the Caribbean. They all know of Jamaica. These other countries are just there. I haven't heard of anything, you know, trending from these other Caribbean countries. I haven't heard of anything. Maybe in sports, in sports, I've seen the Guyanas, the Barbados in sports, but obviously they never outsmart Jamaica. That's why Jamaica still is the big name. So to my Jamaican people, I want you to answer this guy in the comment section. He should know why you people are being loved across the world. He should know why you people are the best. So in the comment section, tell him something. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Until my next video, one love.